Chapter 1. Know your computer. Chapter Surf. How does a computer work? Working of a computer. Advantages of computers. Disadvantages of computers. A computer is also called a computer system. It can do a variety of jobs for us. Let us know how it works. How does a computer work? A computer takes data from the user, processes it according to the given instructions, and then gives back the information or result to the user. This means that a computer follows 3 stages. IPO, input, process, output. For example, if we want to add 5, 4 and 2, the following stages will take place. Feeding the number and the instruction to add 5, 4, 2 plus input. Addition of the numbers by the computer. 5 plus 4 plus 2. Process. Display of the result by the computer. 11. Output.
Before moving forward, let us understand some basic terms. Input. The values, facts and instructions given by us is called an input. Process. The calculations and comparisons done by CPU is called the process. Output. The result given by the computer after processing is called the output. User. The person who uses the computer and gives instructions to it is called a user. Data. It is the collection of raw, unorganized facts that includes words, numbers, images and sounds. Information. The meaningful and organized form of data is called information. For example, the marks of a student in 5 subjects, 82, 78, 90, 86 and 94 is data. When we calculate the sum of these marks to determine the rank of the student in class, it becomes information.
Working of a computer. To understand the working of a computer, let us take the example of a machine, juicer mixer. A juicer mixer needs the input.
Raw food items like banana, milk, sugar, etc. and the instructions,
which it processes, churns and mixes the items and gives us the output, banana milkshake. Banana, milk and sugar given by us to the juicer mixer. Input. Mixing done by the juicer mixer. Process. Banana milkshake ready by the juicer mixer. Output. Do you know how a computer actually works? Let us understand the working of a computer. Computers work on the concept of input, process, output. This is known as the IPO cycle. In the IPO cycle,
user, input, data, process, information, output. When the user enters data into a computer, it accepts the data as input through different input devices like keyboard, mouse, etc. The computer processes this data and changes this into information with the help of CPU. After processing, the computer shows the final result as an output through different output devices like monitor, printer, etc. For example, input device, keyboard, processing device, CPU, output device, monitor.
Advantages of computers. The various advantages of a computer make it a useful machine. It can perform tasks better than human beings. The working speed of a computer is very fast in comparison with us. A computer is an accurate machine. This means it does not make any mistake. A computer never gets tired with work. A computer can store a lot of information which can be used quickly when needed. A computer can do multiple jobs at the same time For example, it can play music while doing sums. A computer is a great means of communication these days. It is used to send messages, talk to friends and families over long distances, read news and know latest score of any match. Disadvantages of computers. A computer has certain disadvantages too. 1. A computer cannot feel. It has no emotions. 2.
A computer cannot think and take decisions.
3. A computer cannot work without electricity or batteries. 4. A computer cannot work without our instructions. 5.
People who use computers for long hours are harmfully affected.
They become lazy as they avoid physical and outdoor activities. They forget eating meals or overeat. They don't study during their exams and get poor results. They become addicted to computers. They face health problems like poor eyesight, wrist pain, headache, etc. They can become a target of cyber crimes.